Your Grandma Ginia would be so happy as you're playing music and dancing at the same time. Yeah, you're dancing. You dance when you play.
Putting my teeth on there.
You putting your teeth on there? That helps? Or are you just putting your mouth on there?
I put my teeth on there.
Yeah. And then you blow?
No.
No?
Do that.
No?
I didn't do that.
Did it hurt your teeth?
Yes.
Well, then maybe you shouldn't put your teeth on it. Just put your lips on it.
Look on it.
Yeah, just your lips. Good job. Hi, love bug.
Yeah.
Aaron, are you a love bug?
Do that.
Bye, Aaron. Okay.